Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's metal spherical pendant light. Includes one screw kit containing screws and screw caps, one top cover mounting screw kit, one metal spherical pendant light. First, remove the protective packaging from the metal. Install the glass globe lampshade onto the lighting system. Attach the bottom lampshade housing to the lighting system. Align the holes on the two exoskeletons. Install the two mounting screws included in the housing mounting screw kit. Remove the two mounting screws from the top cover and set them aside safely. Remove the metal plate securing the product inside the top cover. Feed the product's power cord, blue and orange wires through the small hole in the top cover. Place the product's mounting plate where you intend to install the product. Then mark the location and drill holes with an electric drill. Insert the two screw sleeves from the screw and screw the sleeve kit into the holes. Place the product mounting plate in position and insert the screws from the screw and screw sleeve kit into the screw sleeves. Connect the push and quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Next, connect the power cord on the product to the push-on quick connect terminals you have provided. Place the top cover over the electrical box and tap the products, the power cord neatly inside the electrical box. Reinstall the two mounting screws from the top cover that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.